Hello, we are from Think Pluto team, bringing you tutorials on Oracle Fusion Cloud applications and integrations. Hi, this video is for creating a sales order in Fusion using configurator. Create order. First thing is you provide a business unit, select your customer, tab out, select the method. You can view the pricing strategy. So now you can select a configurable item. Here it is. We have option either to add it. So let me directly go to configure and add. There are two steps. This is the first basic options. So once we are good here, we can go to next. This is the actual list of options that we can select. An 8 screen, 2 GB. Just see the prices against each. So storage, let's say 32, which is $45. Basic camera, some battery, and we can click on finish and review. This brings up all the components that we have selected, and against each component we should be able to see the quantity, the price. We can go back, let's say so I'm changing this 8 inches screen, and let me review again. You can see these prices. Once you click OK, it's going to take you back to the order screen. Now we see against this item we have option to configure or to view the components, and this is all the components. I can change the configuration from here as well. Let's say I want to reduce the storage to 16 GB. I don't want to review it, I'm just finishing it, and done. The order is not yet created, so we can save. We have a draft order now, and we can submit it. So it is processing now. So there are some more fields and options on this sales order which you can see in my other video on creating a regular sales order. I'll give a very quick overview. So we have 3 tabs here. This was order lines, then we have shipment and billing. You can go to supply, where you can specify your warehouse, and in the billing you can basically set your payment terms. So you can go to action and switch to fulfillment view. Under fulfillment you have the order lines. As we saw, you can expand and view the components here. This is the 16 GB we selected. You have fulfillment lines. You can expand, and you see this is the order line, the model, all the orchestration processes are same, and the status is awaiting shipping. Let's try to do a check availability. You can again expand these items, and it's on time, the availability status. You have some analytics. If you are rescheduling it, then you can see the difference between original and proposed. You can search based on different sources for the availability of item. For now, I'm going to go back, and we saw here the orchestration process. If you click on this, and this is the orchestration details, and you can see each task for fulfilling this order. That is, it got scheduled, orchestration was completed, and now it is awaiting shipping. On the right part it shows date. It is awaiting shipping, which is scheduled for the next day. Subsequent to that, we can do invoicing. So if you scroll to the right, you see what is the task type, the actual start date, completion date, and this legend for the progress of this task. So it could be on time, completed, medium, low, on hold. If you come down, you are going to see the associated fulfillment lines, status details, and journey history. So here you just have the detail of the statuses. On the top screen you have all the tasks, and in the history you can see when you changed it, the priority is going to change, the status is going to change. So these will be important areas for the guys who are actually doing the fulfilling. And you can refresh it while you are on this. Let me go back. You can also click on this line and you have this score, priority, reason. So under fulfillment you also have supply details, then shipping details, item details. So this is one view for this fulfillment line. We have refresh option here as well. Now as we saw that each line has the same orchestration process. Now this is a simple scenario. In complex or real world scenarios, we may have different lines being fulfilled by different processes or different sources or different rules. In that case, we'll have different orchestration processes. This I believe was a good overview of the orders. We'll see more about orders, fulfillment, DEO, module of fusion in our subsequent videos. We can help with your issues, training needs, and also provide free sessions. Do subscribe our channel and reach out to us.